Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Renee, and here we do everything beauty content. So if you have not subscribed to me yet, go ahead and do that right now. Turn on the notification bell so you know the next time that I post. The reason why you always on my mind, you come around like this, baby, I see you, and I see you, baby, when I never look in the light, walk by, so I gotta be. You find the light. Do you feel love? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you call me to my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge, coming on. You call me to my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge, coming on. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I will wait for
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with the bitch. I don't get it. You're a starlight. You shouldn't have to do like that. I never make you feel like that. I love being up for the both of us.
You find the light. Do you feel love? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way?
I am saying I
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you call me. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Everything that you need to know about this unit, where I got it from, the inches, everything, be in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I will see you guys in the next one.